Go shop with my sister. Be on edge for the edges. We all need it. I will put the link in the description box. And I'm going to read to y'all what this shit say. 4-in-1 roll-on edge care, nourish and massage edges, promotes edge growth, no waste or drips, wear lace fronts, sew-ins, ponytails, braids, or protective styles. Yes, be on edge. Packed with results-driven ingredients, Be on Edge is a no-mess roll-on to help remove dry edge gel, prevent breakage, and restore thinning edges. Can't go wrong, ladies. Can't go wrong. I just feel it already. But just to let y'all know, my little sister, this is her brand. She 15 and her hair down here. So, yeah. Just click that link and we'll get y'all together. And you ain't got to worry about wasting your shit. None of that. Look at that. Yes, indeed. But I'm going to put up a little video for y'all to see how my hair come out. Normally my original is the middle part. Bone straight. Just like how I like it. So yeah. Go ahead and tap in with us.
Ayo.